Crawlers and insects. Crawlers. Crawling animals are also known as creeping crawlies. Creep means to move quietly, and crawl means to move whole body close to ground. Major crawling animals are snake, lizard, tortoise, turtle, etc. Snake. The snake is a long animal having flexible body with overlapping scales. Snake does not have legs and external ears. Snake eats rats, lizards, and several other animals. Snakes are further eaten by peacock, eagles, etc. All snakes are not poisonous. The poisonous snakes release the poison through teeth. The snake does not eat for several weeks. It gets energy from sun and always keeps its eyes open. Lizard. It can be seen commonly. It is a small crawler that can easily move on walls and even roofs. It moves with its 4 little legs and eats insects. Many lizards can detach their tails to escape from their predators. After some time, the tail again grows. Crocodile. The crocodile is the biggest crawler. Its body is big and strong. It lives in water and also comes out of water. It can swallow its prey whole. Sometimes it attacks humans also. It has 4 legs and a strong long tail. Tortoise. The tortoise is the slowest moving crawler. It moves with its 4 little legs. It has a little tail. Its body is covered with a strong shell. When it is attacked by some animal, it withdraws its head, legs, and tail in the shell. Tortoise is famous for its long lifespan. It can live up to 150 years. Small crawlers. Snail. Snail is a slow-moving crawler. It has a coiled shell on its body. Snail without this shell is called slug. Its shell is used as a showpiece and is also used in jewelry. Snail lives on land as well as in water. Its eyes are located on the 2 tentacles. Earthworm. Earthworm is a small snake-like crawler. It lives in soil and is seen during the rainy season. It keeps the soil fertile as it turns the fallen leaves into humus. Centipede. Centipede has numerous legs. Its body is divided into several segments and each segment has a pair of legs. It is a poisonous animal. It is more active during night time, therefore, it is a nocturnal animal. During daytime, it likes to stay in cool and dark places like under the stones or wood. Millipede. Millipede is similar to the centipede. It is a slow-moving animal. It has much more legs than centipede. Its body is also divided into several segments. Its segments are smaller than the centipede, and each segment has 2 pairs of legs. It can roll into a shell-like shape. It eats leaves and can damage gardens. Leech. Leech is a worm. Its body is divided in exactly 34 segments. It lives on land as well as in water. It is known for sucking the blood of animals that it attaches itself to. Insects. Insects are small animals. They creep on the ground. Some insects can fly over short distances. There are thousands of insects in our environment. Ant. Many ants form a colony, therefore, they are called social animals. They live in a home called ant hill. Ants collect their food for future use also. They have 6 legs and many a times they move in a line. Some ants can cut the leaves and are called leaf cutter ants. Cockroach. Cockroach is a fast-running insect. Some cockroaches can fly also. They are found in many houses and are also called household pests. They feed on leftover food. Housefly. It can be seen commonly. It can fly and often sits on garbage to get food. It carries germs from garbage and spread diseases like cholera and typhoid. Spider. Spider is also a common insect. It spins a web around itself. Flying insects get trapped in web and become food for spider. It has 8 legs and 8 eyes. Mosquito. It is found in warm and humid areas. It breeds on standing water. It is a winged insect and can fly. It bites animals as well as humans. It spreads the malaria disease. Honeybee. It collects nectar from the flowers and deposits in the honeycomb. Thousands of honeybees collect nectar and make honey for us. Mother of all bees is called queen bee.